CES, Consumer Electronics Show, is an annual trade show organized by the Consumer Technology Association, CTA. It is held in Las Vegas, Nevada, and is one of the largest and most influential technology events in the world. The first CES was held in 1967 and featured a small number of exhibitors showcasing a variety of electronic products. Today, the event has grown significantly and attracts thousands of attendees and exhibitors from around the globe. CES is known for showcasing the latest and greatest in consumer electronics, including smartphones, laptops, home appliances, and more. Samsung Display is a division of South Korean multinational conglomerate Samsung Electronics that manufactures and markets electronic displays. It was established in 1993 and has since become a leading global provider of display technology, producing a wide range of products for both consumer and professional markets. One of the key products offered by Samsung Display is its line of organic light-emitting diode (OLED) displays. OLED technology allows for thinner, more flexible displays that can be curved or even folded, and it has become a popular choice for smartphone and television manufacturers. Samsung's new Flex Hybrid display is a game-changer in the world of technology. It uses an OLED display, offering users a high-quality, slidable display. One of the standout features of the Flex Hybrid display is its ability to switch to a larger display by sliding out the screen from the right-hand side. This allows for a more immersive viewing experience and makes it easier to use in different environments. Users can enjoy movies and videos on the 10.5-inch display in aspect ratio of 4:3 or on the 12.4-inch larger screen in 16:10 screen ratio. The 17-inch large screen slidable display, which Samsung Display CEO J.S. Choi previewed at Intel Innovation 2022 in September, will make its first public appearance at CES. Flex Slidable Solo, which can expand the screen in one direction, and Flex Slidable Duet, which can expand the display in both directions, are two concepts for slidable displays. The display is small and portable at 13 to 14 inches, but it can be expanded to 17.3 inches for multitasking, gaming, or watching movies.